Well, hello there, and good evening, all of my YouTube friends and subscribers. I'm William Brantley from South Jackson, Tennessee, or Bemis, Tennessee, ready to share with you today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. I thought I'd go ahead and give you the climate summary first, like I always do, and then I'll take it from there. As of 5 p.m. here in Bemis, Tennessee, the skies were clear at that time. It was a warm day today. The temperature at 5 p.m. was 93 degrees. It felt like 100 degrees in the shade. The dew point was 76 degrees. The humidity was at 57%. The wind was west at 5 miles per hour, and the barometric pressure was 29.94 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature in Bemis was 67 degrees. Today's high was 95 degrees. It felt like 105 in the shade at 4 p.m. Again, it felt like 105 degrees in the shade at 4 p.m. No rain fell today, of course, not here in Bemis at least. There were some thunderstorms well off to our east near the Tennessee River. I'll show them to you momentarily. And there's some over toward the Mississippi River, just well west of us, on both sides of us tonight, of Jackson, that is. Lowest humidity today was 57% at 5 p.m. The highest would be 100% at 1 through 7 a.m. Lowest dew point temperature was 67 degrees at 6 a.m., while the highest would be 76 degrees at 4 and 5 p.m. The lowest barometric pressure would be 29.94 inches of mercury, and that occurred at 5 p.m., while the highest would be 30.03 inches at 11 a.m. Today's highest wind gust was 12 miles per hour out of the west at 1:02 p.m. Today's records for August the 11th, hottest high would be 101 back in 2007. The coolest high would be 76 in 1967. The warmest low would be 75 degrees, and that occurred in 2010 and 2014. Coldest low would be 56, and that occurred in 1967. And the rainfall record would be 1.81 inches today, and that fell in 2009. Alrighty, that's pretty much covers the climate part of it. Summary. Now I'll show you a few graphs. I had a YouTube subscriber asking about the meteor showers going on. The best seen tonight, Sunday and Monday. I don't have the timing of when they're most likely to occur, though. But of course, you can see them better at night. Let me get my hand out of the way, and let me see if I can get this to where you can see it better. Should be easier. There we go. Alright. It's I can't pronounce that right. It's Perseid's meteor shower peaking this weekend. That's the link for it. That's probably what I need to click on to see the details. And I didn't. I should have clicked on that, and I might have gave the time of it, but I didn't. Best mornings, apparently early in the morning, before dawn, I'm assuming, or likely Sunday and Monday, but Saturday morning should be okay too. Of course, I didn't get up to look at it. And here's the tips and links to help you enjoy the annual meteor shower. Of course, as you can see, there's several of them falls within an hour. And since we're in the new moon phase, that means the moon's not going to be all that bright. And that might actually allow you to see the shooting stars more easily. Of course, further out in the country, away from city lights or street lights, betters your chances of seeing those, of course. But that again is this weekend. I think tonight, tomorrow morning, and Monday morning probably be the best according to this, according to Earth Sky statement. Excuse me. All right, let's look at the satellite picture. According to it, the skies around here in Jackson are reasonably clear. There are some clouds off to the east of us where those storms are taking place, and to the northwest of us where some more storms are taking place. Otherwise, it's going to be clear pretty much around the area. So most of Tennesseans should be able to see the meteor showers tomorrow morning. Alright, just thought I'd bring that up. And forgive me for not mentioning it before tonight. I forgot about it. An excitement like that. Rather amazing. Alright, let's go on to the radar. Show the latest radar. And here's where the storms are. East of Jackson. Actually a little near Parsons. It's a pretty good sized storm that just went through Parsons and Linden, Tennessee, over around the Tennessee River. It was fairly heavy over there, but I didn't see no warning attached to it. It's clear here in Jackson at the moment. Over here, that storm, that's what is that, near kind of between the Osceola, Arkansas, Blythe, Arkansas, and Ripley, Tennessee, did have a severe thunderstorm warning attached to it into western sections of Lauderdale County. It was valid until 8:45, but it looks like it's moving across the river okay. There's another heavy one a little bit further west of Blythe, Arkansas, that's probably moving toward West Tennessee as well. But all of these storms, including these over here, have already showed signs of weakening some. So once the sun goes down, they'll probably die down, of course. We do have a cold front to our north and south of us, just enough to create a few of those late afternoon and early evening showers and thunderstorms. But that's summertime for you. Nothing unusual at all. Speaking of that, let me go on to the current surface map. I'm going to get it bigger so I can see it better. You see those two stationary fronts that I was telling you to our south and north? That's the ones that's helping to produce those isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms. And they stretch on off into the Atlantic Ocean there. And it's very spotty, but where they are occurring, they're pretty heavy. And there you see the other scattered showers and thunderstorms around the country and where they're taking place. And the other highs and lows and various fronts and troughs and all that, all the other different types of fronts that you see. And you see there where they're located there. One's not too far from us, right along the Missouri-Tennessee border. That's the ones helping to create those heavy storms that's getting ready to move through Lauderdale County now. Nothing here in Madison County though. We're in the clear here at the moment. Looks like a good chunk of Arkansas is too. Not Arkansas, but Florida. Alright, that's current satellite picture Alright, let's go on to the forecast. I think that's what I haven't given yet. Let me shrink it down to, there we go. Well, that's too big there. Oh, I see what it is. I gotta pull this over. There we go. Well, locally here in Jackson at least, we're in good shape over here. So far, put it that way. No storms are expected here in Jackson tonight. Skies should remain fair. The sun's already set. The moon's already set. Barely, actually, at 8:18 p.m. But the new moon phase is complete tonight, so it really shouldn't have any bearing on the lighting of seeing stars and meteors showers and things like that. It should be good and clear, or at least fairly clear. So it should be a great night tonight and tomorrow morning to view those showers. And probably tomorrow night as well, because rain's not back in the forecast until Wednesday, actually. It might become very cloudy toward Tuesday night. So we should have clear skies for the meteor showers for tonight and tomorrow night. The fair skies, of course, for tomorrow. Low of 69, high of 90, with north winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. The sun rises tomorrow morning at 6:12, sets at 7:48 p.m. And the moon rises tomorrow morning at 7:30 a.m. and sets tomorrow evening at 9:09 p.m. And that's for Sunday. Monday, fair skies, low near 65, high of 92 with north winds at 5 to 15. And there you see the sunrise and moonrise and set times. Generally fair on Tuesday until Tuesday night. Then it becomes very cloudy. There might even be a 30% chance of a few scattered showers and thunderstorms Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday night. But I didn't list it on my forecast page because I really don't consider 40% all that high. But this still doesn't mean we can't have one. 40% is almost like what we're having tonight. It's storming to the east of Jackson and to the west of Jackson and leaving Jackson alone so far. I ain't gonna say too much, the one liable to build up here. With their fronts so close together. But right now it's not forecasted to. Like I mentioned, Wednesday looks like it's going to be fair skies till noon, then a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms for the rest of the day. Wednesday, low of 70, high of 93, with west winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And about the same thing, really, for the rest of the week, a 50 to 60% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms all the way through next weekend. All the way through with lows in the around 68 to 71 roughly, and highs from 90 to about 89. Actually dropping down to 86 by Sunday, but highs near 90 leading up to Sunday, and actually 89 on Saturday also. 90 will be the last day on Friday. We might hit 90 degrees for a high. And then chances for rain covers the 20th with the 40% chance during the day, and fair skies by next Monday night on that day of August the 20th. Alright, that pretty much covers it for tonight. I hope you get a chance to get out and enjoy the weather and spotting a few meteor showers here and there. And again, the moon don't come up. It's already set tonight. It's set at 8:18 p.m. maybe 15 minutes ago roughly, and it'll be back up what little dab you see with the full moon, new moon rather. It'll come up at 7:30 tomorrow night. Sunrise at 6:12 like I mentioned, and sets at 7:48 tomorrow evening. Alright, that's it for tonight. thank you for watching and viewing and putting up with me and all. And I appreciate if I forget to mention something, somebody asked a question and a comment, and I try to leave a comment and try to mention whatever that may be in the next video, like I did tonight with the meteor showers. And I enjoy bringing that up too, because it is a sight to see things like that. Well, alrighty, I guess that's it for tonight. Thank you again for watching and viewing, subscribing, and I guess I'll talk to you later on. Alright, have a good night. God bless you, and have a happy and blessed Sunday, August the 12th, and a happy and blessed Saturday night, August the 11th. Alright, good night.